Understanding, both, double trouble or double fun. Hello language learners. Today, we are going to dive into a key part of English grammar, the word, both. It's a simple little word, but it holds a lot of power. In this video, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the usage of both, helping you understand how and when to use it. So, let's get started. Both is what we call a quantifier or determiner in English. It's used to indicate two things or people together. Both is used when we are talking about two items or people, simultaneously, who are usually already known to the listener or reader. For example, if you have two apples, you could say, I have two apples, or you could say, I have both apples. Both can be used directly before a noun to indicate that the statement refers to two specific items or people. For instance, both children are playing in the park means the two children we are talking about are playing in the park. Here, both is used directly before the noun, children. The word both can also be used in sentences, either before the verb or between two verbs. For example, you could say, both John and Jane are studying, or John and Jane both are studying. These sentences have the same meaning. Similarly, you could say, John is both studying and working, which tells us John is doing two things at once. Another common way to use both is with the preposition of. If you're talking about two specific things or people that you're identifying with a noun phrase or a pronoun, you would use both of. For example, both of the children are playing, or I have read both of the books. So, there you have it. The power of both, unraveled. It may seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. Remember, both is all about emphasizing two things or people at the same time. Keep practicing and soon you'll be using both like a pro. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, keep learning and growing. We hope this video was helpful to you. Until next time, happy studying.